think this is a Wildcat Branch, I believe. And the bridge is out. Charles Bunyon's awesome though.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Yeah.
Trent said it was awesome.
And there's like a Charles Bunyan, and then there's the original Charles Bunyan.
Yeah.
And so there's like two different ones. I went to the new one. I didn't go to the old one. But it's freaking awesome.
I don't remember there being this much water on this trail.
Yeah, I was surprised. Guess you're in the mountains of Georgia. You're gonna have springs here and there. Pretty commonplace, I guess.
Yeah, I've never been on a trip where I really got nervous.
Right?
Except Trent and I did that low trail
Yeah.
in the Christian National Forest.
Right. Remember you telling me about that?
Huh?
So I remember you telling me about that.
I had to wring water out of moss
Yeah.
on the side of a rock
Crazy.
because we got so down low. That got me nervous.
It's 10:56 on Saturday. What is it? May 9th,
Why not?
day before Mother's Day. And we just stopped at a little gap there at Forest Service Road 108. Took a little break, ate something. We stopped here at this little campsite to get some water. Going counterclockwise, and some pretty steep grades going up this side. I don't know, I'd say about 60% in some spots. But it goes up, then levels out, goes up, then levels out. But pretty consistently uphill the entire day, so I think we're going to get a downhill pretty quick. We're not to the very tippity top yet, but I think we're going to get a downhill pretty quick. So we're looking forward to that. Some wildflowers. Like the trillium. We just made it to the Duncan Ridge Trail. Gonna go downhill a little bit, I believe, and then uphill to Coosa Bald. Not many views. This is one of them. We just made it to Wildcat Gap. There's going to be one more little uphill up to there. So yeah, there's going to be a little uphill to Wildcat Knob, which is right there. And we're at Wildcat Gap right now. Then there's going to be a serious downhill, then a serious uphill Slaughter Mountain. Whew. That's what we're looking at. So we're coming off of Wildcat Knob, about to get to Highway 180. We've definitely noticed that there's a shortage of water sources on this side. I think we're on the south side of the mountain, and definitely less water sources over here. I don't know if being on the south side has anything to do with that, but just be sure to fill up your water before you come off of, or before you go up. What do you say? Before you go up Wildcat Knob?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely fill up your water
Before
bottles.
you join with Duncan Ridge Trail.
Yeah, before you join Duncan Ridge. Next stop, top of Slaughter Mountain. So now we start our ascent up Slaughter Mountain. Oh yeah? See that way? So I think we're almost at the top of Mount Slaughter. Very difficult, strenuous uphill. Like 60 degree incline, just straight line. It's been very difficult. It's about 125 right now. Just kind of beat. I'll be all right as soon as I get to the top. It's tough right now. So we just found the first water source since we connected with Duncan Ridge. It's a little spring coming out of the mountain here. And so just keep in mind, connect with Duncan Ridge, get your water before then, because we're on the far side of Slaughter Mountain. And Slaughter Mountain summit's up there. We're kind of skirting it right now. And this is the first water source we've seen in how many hours? 2? 3?
Hours.
Yeah, about 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. So just make sure you get your water filled up. So we've decided to summit Blood Mountain. It's a little off trail that goes to the Appalachian, then up to the top of Blood Mountain. And we're going to camp at the shelter technically speaking, we're supposed to have bear canisters until June 1st, and it is May 9th. So, but we're gonna go up there, chance it. I don't think we're gonna see any rangers. And yeah, stay the night on top of Blood Mountain. Just left that water source. It is 218 Slaughter Mountain. We're on top of Slaughter Mountain right now, and about to head down and then back up Blood Mountain. Then we'll have a nice little short hike back to the car on Sunday. Alright, we'll see you there. So we just came where the Duncan Ridge Trail breaks off from the Coosa Backcountry Trail. So now we're following the Duncan Ridge Trail to the Appalachian Trail, which will then take us up to Blood Mountain. And that's where we're at. Yep. White Blaze. The Appalachian Trail. Now let's figure out which direction we need to go. Blood Mountain Shelter. And the top of Blood Mountain. I'm gonna have to wash up a little bit.
What's that?
So I'm gonna have to wash up a little bit.
Yeah.
Like dirty, stinky. You make it up.
Egg, avocado, salad.
You got a salad?
Huh?
Got a salad?
Salad is in mayonnaise. Egg, avocado, mayonnaise.
No. Salad.
Yeah.
Relish.
Relish.
Gotcha.